I did jokingly ask her if she didn't have enough work to do. But she's a lawyer. The Bar Association is an association of lawyers. We are free to associate. If in her spare time she wants to dedicate some of that time to the Bar Association, then there can be absolutely no difficulty with that in my view. I don't think that she's the type of person who would take time for the job that she's getting paid to do to spend time for the further purposes of an association. I fully expect, given her work ethic, for her to do the work as D.P.P. and at the same time dedicate her own personal time to the association. I don't see any conflict with it either in terms of a government employee being a member of a private association, because the Bar Association, there's no longer a mandatory requirement for you to belong to that association. I don't see any difficulty with that.
So fundamentally, if the position of the private association were to conflict with the position of the government, wouldn't that place her in a precarious situation, so to speak?
Well, you have to understand in what kind of conflict, because you have to remember, while the D.P.P. is paid from the public purse, the D.P.P. is a completely independent, constitutionally created office. The D.P.P. does not work for the government. Anybody who is being paid by the government has to fall under some umbrella, some aegis. And the D.P.P. just happens to fall under the Attorney General. However, within her office, administratively, we have some say over her office. But who she decides to prosecute, not prosecute, how she handles her cases on the merits or demerits, that is totally within her province. And in that sense, she does not work for the government.